Explícame qué haces.
Estoy hablando con mi mamá y mandándole una fotico. Mira.
Ah, sí, ¿y hoy para dónde vas?
Para mi casita ya.
¿Cómo?
Para mi casa.
¿Qué haces allá?
¿Qué hago allá?
¿Tu trabajo?
Ah, con las fotos. Como fotografías.
Here it is as it arrived from TNT Express in, I think, about 4 days, something like that. Let's crack it open. Nice, simple, clear packaging. Happy with that. Smartest mic on earth, ready to record. Let's just crack this open in a relatively civilized manner. Just slide that open. That's a classy black there. Little bit of a magnet going on there. I didn't back the original campaign. I'm buying somewhat down the line, but I still feel that these things are waiting to explode on the market a lot more. And when I say explode, I mean not physically. My word, that's small, isn't it? I don't want to take it out just yet. Let's see if I turn this upside down. That is really, really small. Let me just put that there. Out of shot, out of mind. I think I'm going to have to turn this upside down to get the rest out. What have we got here? Quick start guide. That's everything there. We've got mount, mount, and mount. Magnetic mount there, so that is absolutely solid. What else have we got? A sticky mount. I'll work something out for that. And a Velcro job. Quite a solid piece of Velcro, actually. So, 3 mounts included in my Instamic Pro kit. A solid USB cable there. We've all got cables, but have you got gold cables? The incredibly small unit itself. You'll notice stereo mics on the side, the 2 of those, 4 mono mics there. You've got LEDs here which let you know when it's leveling at the start. I believe you start and it will flash up to show that it's on. Press again, it will flash to start and it will do the leveling first. I think you got to wait a few seconds while it does that to get going. We're going to see if there's a difference between app control and the instant version, which most interests me. But to all intents and purposes, from what I can tell, the lights will not be going off the whole time, just at the start of each clip. On the bottom there, we've got the USB port. If need be, we can plug it into there and charge it up that way, which I will be doing. And we've got the mount ports there, so let me just show you with the mount. Dead simple. Slide on and it's good to go. So, you know, let's say for some weird reason I wanted to mount to this piece of paper. Just do that and then that is going absolutely nowhere. That's a strong magnet, but clearly I'm not going to be doing that. Pull off and we're good to go. Do like that and my word, that is something.
We're here in Santa Marta testing the Instamic. There's a lot of traffic going by below, but how does it sound? We're using the DJI Osmo Pocket and, well, it wouldn't matter if I move closer because it's a fixed mic, or if I move right away because there it is right there. So how did that sound? Now with even more traffic from below, how does that sound? This is now a handheld, but again, as the mic is fixed to me, it shouldn't matter. Well, it wouldn't matter the distance at all. I'm really just waffling. I think I should just go enjoy the sunshine, get a coffee or a cold drink, and, you know, just a little test. Random waffling. Very, very nice location. We are not in Birmingham anymore. here in Colombia on holiday, hence the rather limited amount of videos. But check this out. Now the Instamic obviously is working as a lav mic, so can you still hear well enough? I'm not going to adjust the audio much, just going to limit it in Final Cut. But how does that sound? I do think this little thing is pretty handy, and my test so far, in fact I've used it in other videos without letting you know, but so far happy with the audio quality. Not that my audio quality is always that fantastic anyway, but super portable, super useful, and I think decent sound. I could even pop it in that water there and get some nice ambient noise. Now I am next to an airport, so I was hoping for something real loud to pass over, but it's not happening, and I'm just happy to be enjoying this beach, which is literally 20 seconds from the door of the airport, just beyond those trees there. Pretty amazing. And there's a fisherman. Love it.